If you just brought a new iPhone and you wanna quickly check if it's original, I will show you two simple checks you can do in a couple of minutes. No tools needed, just your iPhone. First, let's verify the serial number on Apple's website. This is one of the easiest and fastest ways to check if your iPhone is genuine. So go to settings, then tap on general, then tap about. Now find out serial number. Press and hold on the serial number and then tap on copy. Now open Safari or any browser you want. Then go to checkcoverage.apple.com. Now paste the serial number here and after that tap on submit. If Apple shows your iPhone model and coverage details, it means the serial number is valid and your phone details match iPhone's systems. Now for last check, we will see if your iPhone is new, refurbished or a replacement by looking at the model number prefix. This helps you understand what type of device you actually got. So go to the same about page. Now find the model number. If it starts with M, that means it's a new iPhone. If it starts with F, that means it's a refurbished iPhone. If it starts with N, that means it's a replacement iPhone. If it starts with P, that means it's a personalized iPhone. After you check this later, you will know exactly what kind of iPhone you have. And if you got stuck anywhere, feel free to ask me in the comments. And if this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this one.